Are you tired of looking at your deck and feeling like something is missing? What if the one thing holding your outdoor space back isn't the furniture, but the railing? Imagine turning a simple deck into a modern, luxury-looking space without spending a fortune. From sleek glass panels to budget-friendly wood designs, there's a perfect railing idea waiting for you. But here's the problem. Most people either overspend or pick the wrong design that ruins the entire look. So how do you choose the perfect deck railing that fits your style and your budget? That's exactly what we're uncovering today, step by step. Can deck railings really transform your entire outdoor space? Have you ever noticed how some decks look straight out of a luxury magazine, while others just feel plain and unfinished? The secret often lies in the railing design. A good railing doesn't just provide safety, it defines your entire space. It can make a small deck feel bigger, and a simple one feel premium. Even changing just the railing can completely upgrade your backyard vibe. So yes, the right choice can transform everything. If you enjoy discovering smart home ideas, share this with someone who loves outdoor upgrades. What are the best budget-friendly deck railing options in 2026? Not everyone wants to spend thousands on railings, and that's okay. Wood railings are still one of the most affordable and versatile options. They're easy to customize, paint, or stain for a fresh look. Metal railings offer durability at a mid-range price. Even DIY cable systems are becoming more budget-friendly now. You don't need luxury pricing to get a stylish finish. It's all about choosing smart, not expensive. Drop a comment, sharing your favorite budget-friendly upgrade idea. Are cable railings worth the hype? Cable railings are everywhere in modern homes right now. They create a clean, open, almost invisible barrier. Perfect. If you want to enjoy your view without obstruction, they also give a sleek, contemporary feel instantly. But they do require proper installation and tension maintenance. So they're not just install and forget. Still, for many, the aesthetic payoff is worth it. Subscribe for more simple ideas that make your space look premium. Is glass railing the ultimate luxury choice? Glass railings scream elegance and modern design. They allow maximum light and visibility, perfect for scenic backyards or poolside decks. But yes, they can be expensive compared to other options. Maintenance is also something to consider. Fingerprints, dust. Still, nothing beats that clean, frameless look. It's luxury, but with purpose. Share this with someone who loves modern home designs. Why do wooden railings still remain popular? Even in 2026, wood hasn't gone out of style. It's warm, natural, and fits almost every home theme. You can go rustic, classic, or even modern with the right finish. It's also one of the easiest materials to work with. Repairs and modifications are simple and cost-effective. Plus, it blends beautifully with outdoor surroundings. That's why it remains a timeless choice. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer modern or natural styles? Are metal railings a strong and stylish option? Metal railings offer the perfect balance of strength and style. They're incredibly durable and long-lasting, great for homeowners who want low maintenance. Design-wise, they can be sleek or decorative. From minimal black frames to intricate patterns, they work well in both modern and classic homes. A solid investment for long-term use. Subscribe to explore more practical home upgrade ideas. How do you choose the right railing for your budget? Start by deciding your total budget first, then prioritize what matters most: style, durability, or maintenance. If you want low cost, go with wood or simple metal. For a modern look, cable or glass works best. Also consider long-term costs, like maintenance. Don't just follow trends. Choose what fits your lifestyle. Smart choices always beat expensive ones. Share this with someone planning a home upgrade soon. Can you mix materials for a unique look? Absolutely. And it's one of the biggest trends right now. Mixing wood with metal creates a modern, rustic feel. Glass with metal gives a high-end, contemporary vibe. Even cable with wooden frames looks amazing. It adds personality and uniqueness to your deck. No more boring, one-style designs. Mixing materials equal to custom look without full custom cost. Comment your favorite combo, wood and metal, or glass and cable. So now you know. The secret to a stunning deck isn't just the size or furniture, it's the railing. Whether you go for budget-friendly wood, sleek cable, elegant glass, or durable metal, the right choice can completely transform your outdoor space. And the best part? You don't need a huge budget, just the right idea. Now it's your turn. Which deck railing style are you going to choose for your space?